How to download Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to download Blockman Go. Downloading Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Google Play Store. Locate the Play Store icon on your mobile device and click on it. Search for Blockman Go. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Blockman Go. Select the correct app. Look for the Blockman Go Studio in the search result. Tap on Install. Once on the page, tap the blue install button to begin downloading. Wait for installation. The app will automatically download and install. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open the game. Once installed, tap on the open button directly from the Play Store or find the app on your home screen and start playing. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can download Blockman Go.
If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.